Welcome back to another 5-minute tech lesson. Today we're talking about learner-centered online lesson development. Try saying that 5 times fast. For the last 10 months, the majority of us have been working online. Now, in the classroom, we try to create learner-centered lessons anytime that we can. So I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can create learner-centered online lessons starting today. Now, when we think of online lessons, let's think of clap. When we clap, we encourage our students to do well. Remember, as a teacher, you're a motivator. So let's look at what clap means. Now, there's 5 components for clap: collaborative learning, learner autonomy, assessments, personalized activities, and positive climate. Let's look at collaborative learning. Now, OneNote allows us to create a collaborative space. So when we collaborate with our students in real time, they can see and become part of the lesson. Google Meets also allows us to create spaces in breakout rooms for students to collaborate with each other. By doing this, we create social negotiation opportunities so that our students can learn soft skills that are going to be so important in the coming years. Another important feature of online lesson development is creating learner autonomy, where students feel like they own the lesson. In this way, we create responsibility opportunities for our students. Some of the technologies that we can use to create learner autonomy include Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid is great for creating spaces and little chunks of video recording where a student can collaborate with one another, but also own their own style. They can enhance their video with emojis, music, and text to create a unique work of art that represents themselves. Now, part of any lesson is the assessment phase. And during the assessments, this is where we can challenge students to show us what they've learned in our lessons. Now, some of the key characteristics for assessments in learner-centered environments are problem solving, collaboration, computational thinking, decision-making, and higher order thinking. When our assessments involve these characteristics, we know that we're challenging our students and we're focused on what they need to learn. Another important feature of learner-centered lessons is personalization. When we personalize activities, the students take ownership. And if you're starting to feel like all of these kind of flow in together, that's because they do. Now, personalized activities can include project-based learning. There are lots of project-based learning websites online that you can get ideas from to create your own project-based lesson. But remember, the most important thing is for it to be student-led. So allow your students to create their own projects. Now, if we're successful in creating our learner-centered environment and our learner-centered lessons, then we've created a positive climate. When kids feel comfortable, they're more ready to learn. Now, one of the very first things that you need to do as a teacher is to develop the instructor-student relationship. Now, creating a positive climate includes feedback. So Flipgrid, OneNote, and Google Classroom all allow for instructor feedback, creating that positive environment where students don't feel intimidated coming to the instructor and asking for help. Again, when we ensure positive climate, we ensure that learning is happening in the classroom. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that some of the technologies that we talked about today can bring that learner-centered feel into your online classrooms.